Hello, everyone. Today is gonna be a different video today. I got a big package in today that I decided to do the unboxing to. This is a new a VCR player. My other one was acting up, so my mom helped me get a new one. This is a much better one, hopefully, and hopefully it works. So yeah, I go do unboxing the new VHS player, and this is a VHS/DVD player too. So yeah, I go use my knife. I haven't used this one in a long time. My Arizona knife that my mom got when she was in Arizona. Yep, got it for a couple of years. Still in good shape. I'll go use it today. Yep. I'm going to use this on Boss today. Alright, let's get to unboxing. Okay. My cat is doing her own little unboxing over there too. That's Daisy. Daisy, what are you doing? She's not paying any attention to me. Alright, let's get to this. Oh, comes with a remote and everything. Nice. Get to ripping. Oh, that's the cord to the player. That's the plug-in. Remote. I don't even know if this was gonna be in use. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely was old. It looks like it tastes double A's. I do has a double A's, so I don't know. We'll see if it'll work. I'll figure that out later. I wonder if it's going to come with a TV cord too. I don't think it is, but it'd be cool if it did. This was really nice. Somebody took really good care of this. Yeah. Don't do what I do. How I cut and stuff. Let's take this whole thing out. Yeah, the guys like to be bosses after we get some new ones. Here's the new bots. She go good in there? No, somebody else is already in there. I think she's gonna come in. Yep. So I got a video of the cast and an unboxing today. Alright. I'm gonna put the guys down. I'm gonna try to pull this whole thing out. Okay, I'm gonna cut the wrapper off. Oh wow. Okay. I got it. So yeah. This is a new VCR / DVD player. This is called an Emerson. I believe it's what the thing is called. I'm gonna try to take good care of this one. I don't think it's been used. I don't know, probably been pre-owned, but we'll see. This time I won't mess this one up. I did the last one. This one comes with the plugins. Let's see. So it looks like I'm gonna have to plug it in right here for the DVD and VCR player. Yeah, I'm excited. Comes with the remote. I'm gonna have to put double A batteries in it. Yep. Alright. I'll go do another video on this thing later. If it, we'll see. But yeah, that will wrap it up for my VCR player unboxing for March 3rd, 2025. See you in the next video.